Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have admin access and a backup ready. Start now. First, verify the CPM version and current tracing state so you know what you're changing. Once done, stop the CPM agent and any tracing services to avoid race conditions. Use sudo systemtl stop CPM agent and sudo systemtl stop CPM trace. Make sure to copy the config directory to a safe location. This permits rollback. If a management console exists, switch it to maintenance mode. Before proceeding so live writes, don't overwrite edits. Now edit the configuration files directly to re-enable tracing, and do this carefully. Open /etc/cpm/config. YAML or the equivalent as root, locate trace. Enabled tracing, mode or trace level entries because these control the runtime behavior. Set trace. Enabled to true or remove flags that explicitly mark tracing as disabled and fix any dependent settings like log rotation or storage path. After saving, run the config validator or YAML parser to catch syntax. Finish by restarting services and verifying tracing operates correctly. Start the CPM agent and trace service, then watch logs and the CPM UI or API endpoint for live trace events. Look for startup messages showing tracing enabled. If you don't see traces, make sure file and directory permissions allow writing, check SC Linux or app armor denials, and confirm disk quota isn't full. Finally, revert to your backup if needed, and document the change so the configuration persists through updates and redeploys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.